The 2022 music festival season in the Faroe Islands has come to an end with Klaksvík's Summar Festival, which was held on August 4th to 6th. The Summar Festival is a major local and indeed national event. As usual, large numbers of people gathered in downtown Klaksvík, especially at the various concert venues in the late afternoon and at night during the 3-day festival. And most of the time, luckily, the weather behaved. Traditionally, some of the main attractions of this festival have been music artists who had their heyday in the 1980s. However, this year's event, at least to some extent, had more of a contemporary feel to it. We were impressed by Faroese-Canadian singer Lena Anderssen and her band, all of whom delivered an excellent performance on the night of August 5th.
We can carry on. I'd like to make it up to you and change the circumstance. Free myself at last from living in the past. What does it mean? Why do I dream at all? I'm looking back, start heart attack, can't you let go? Who am I? Tell me, who am I? Standing around, staring at the sun, saying, who am Why don't you ask me how I am?